get so much joy out of fixing, customizing, and building old motorcycles. It's therapy for me, but it's not without its challenges. Each bike comes with its own set of problems, from sourcing rare parts to dealing with decades of wear and tear. However, the rewards are immense. Bringing a piece of history back to life not only preserves the past, but also provides an unmatched sense of accomplishment. For many enthusiasts, each motorcycle they restore develops a unique personal connection. These machines aren't just vehicles, they're like time capsules, each with a story to tell. Restorers often spend countless hours with each bike, which imbues them with a special significance that goes beyond mere mechanics. I don't know if the future of building old bikes looks bright. A lot of people today don't like getting their hands dirty. They'd rather go to the dealer and buy something new right off the showroom floor. But there is still a small community of enthusiasts who like to put in the work and show off their builds to people who really know what it takes. And there are guys like me who appreciate it, as long as there are those who value the history and character of these old motorcycles. They will continue to be cherished and preserved for generations to come. Thanks for watching, and please don't be afraid to leave a comment below. I want to know what you think. So until next time, I'm out.